in the Cibola National Forest, getting ready to hike a short trail called Timber Peak Trail. And we are outside of Magdelena, New Mexico. I'm going to show you some of the views. There's limited parking at the trailhead, so we just parked at the next trailhead. It's not too far. So we parked at the South Baldy Trail number 11. We're just going to do a little over a 2-mile hike, simply because we got a late start. But this is a beautiful area, and it is early fall in New Mexico. We earned this lunch. Drove 3 hours, hiked a couple hours, but wow. Awesome place to have lunch.